Why can't you ever get 100% of the fuel energy out of a car engine? Why doesn't your tea stay hot forever? And why does every machine, no matter how advanced, always waste some energy? These aren't random annoyances. They're the laws of thermodynamics quietly ruling the entire universe. Take two metal spoons. Put one in hot water and the other in cold. Leave them for a minute, then switch them. Both spoons slowly move toward the same feeling, neither fully hot nor fully cold. That tiny experiment is the doorway to thermodynamics. This is the Learning Studio, where we explain the hardest topics with clarity and zero nonsense. Thermodynamics is built on four laws. They're simple, brutal, and completely unavoidable. Zeroth law, the law of temperature. If object A and object B have the same temperature as object C, then A and B have the same temperature too. Basic? Yes, but it's the reason thermometers even work. This law defines temperature. First law, energy cannot be created or destroyed. You can't get more energy out than you put in. Engines can't create energy. Refrigerators can't create cold. They simply convert energy from one form to another. That's why no machine has free infinite power. The universe doesn't allow it. Second law, the law everyone tries to cheat. This law says energy always spreads out. Heat always flows from hot-cold. Every process has some waste. Perfect efficiency is impossible. Cars lose energy as heat. Phones warm up. Engines get hot. Nothing stays perfectly organized. Everything tends toward disorder. That disorder has a name, entropy. Entropy always increases. You can slow it. You can manage it. But you can never reverse it without adding more energy. Third law, absolute zero, is impossible to reach. Absolute zero, 0 Kelvin, is the temperature where particles stop moving completely. But we can never truly reach it. We can get close, very close. But hitting zero exactly, the universe says nope. This is why superconductors, quantum systems, and cryogenics all have limits. Thermodynamics runs everything: engines, turbines, power plants, refrigerators, ACs, rocket engines, chemical reactions, even your metabolism. It's not just physics, it's the operating system of the universe. Now think about this. If the second law says disorder always increases, does that mean the universe is slowly dying? If yes, what does that mean for stars, galaxies, and even time itself? We'll break that mystery step by step in the next lessons.